cracking YouTube? It's me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing another sneaker pickup / sneaker review, early review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you will be notified. Alright, so on my way to the spot, I'm gonna give y'all another early review. I'm back, baby, I'm back. Like, it hasn't been consistent days, but this is probably, I think, my third or fourth video in a row. Not in a row, like days in a row, but like this is like my third or fourth video in like the last 2 weeks or something like that. That's better than what it used to be, because I think I went like months and months without doing a video. So I'm trying to give y'all this content. I always appreciate the support and love that I do get on the videos I do post. So if y'all gonna take the time to my bad, I'm driving. But if y'all gonna take the time to give me love and support on my videos I post, then I'm gonna try to, keep on dishing out these bangers. So on my way to do this early review on the shootout, I didn't even know it's dropping. It's actually dropping next week, if I'm not mistaken, the 22nd. So I had to make a decision if I even want to get these or not, because I actually liked the way they look. My boy sent me a picture of them, and I was like, oh, they're different. And I don't have any shoes in this colorway. So that's always a win for me. Whenever I see a shoe that I don't have a shoe at home in that colorway, it makes me want to get it more, because I'm like, I could do something with this. So enough talking. Probably about 10 minutes away. And then after I give y'all this review, I'm gonna head back home, but I'm gonna stop and get something to eat, because I am starving. Get something to eat, and then when I get home, I'm gonna give y'all some, some information, detailed information like retail price and actual date and all that good stuff. So stay tuned for that, and I'll be back in a minute. Okay, we got the Jordan in the center of this black lid top. It is just a regular like lift top. Description: Air Jordan 11 Retro Canyon Purple, size 9. So this is a personal pair, so you know what that means. No reseller here. All right, so let's get this out the way. Pull the shoe out. Got the standard Jordan 11 little polka dot tissue paper right here. Get this in, tuck this in like that. Put this top back on. Let me set this up. So not really sure about the name of these yet. So when I get back to the house, I'll give you the real name. But right now, we're just going to set this up, and we're going to call it... hold on. Bring this back. All right. So without further ado, we got the Air Jordan 11. Oh, let me grab the shoe first. My bad. I'm all over the place. Air Jordan 11 purple. Boom. Okay, so look, first of all, top, I just love this. I love this shoe. I love this shoe. I love the shade of purple this is. This is more like silver. I thought it was black, but like it's like more like silver. It's not hard, like, pause. 23 in the back, but it's not like metallic or nothing like that, but it's like a silverish right there. This cane purple going all around the shoe. It remind me of those Jordan 4s, the cane purple Jordan 4s I had. This material, I think this is like suede, if I'm not mistaken, like suede. Black laces. Got the black midsole underneath. This way it's supposed to be carbon fiber right here. It's probably still carbon fiber, but just doesn't really feel like it. We got these pink pods right here. But let me show you what I mean by this carbon fiber. Hold on, let me put this down. And yeah, let me tap on this, whatever. So it doesn't really feel like the original carbon fiber, but I guess it is. But it's like in that bumblebee type color, black, yellow, some polka dots right there. Same on the other shoe, black laces. Yeah, so I just think this is a beautiful, beautiful shade of purple. I love the Canyon purple shade. Like I said, I had the Jordan 4 Canyon purples, which was a woman exclusive. Dope shoe. I liked it. I still had those too, matter of fact, off the top of my brain. So this is a little bit lighter than that, though. I love the pink pods on the bottom of it. Just a beautiful shoe. All right, I'm back. I'm home. Okay, time to give y'all some proper information. Chewy just running around making all this crazy noise. Yeah, classic right there too. What up, ugly boy? Anyway, home. Got some information for y'all. This is off of Sneaker Ball Detroit. Shout out to Sneaker Ball Detroit. It's gonna be up with Joy Move. You always just in my space, man. Hold on. It's gonna be up in 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. Should be up right now, so you can read along with me. All right, Air Jordan 11 Mojave. I want to say Mojave, maybe. I know that J Price silent. I don't know. I'm pretty sure y'all gonna correct me in the comments below. But yeah, DTLR has now shared their retail shots of the Air Jordan 11 Mojave. Let's just say Mojave, giving us a better look at the upcoming pair. Let's see. The release is locked in for November 22nd with a $255 price tag. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna get these. 255 bones is kind of. I like these though. See, this is the problem. So, take a little break from this real quick. It's also rumors that the Purple Rain. So that's some Jordan 11 Purple Rains. They're basically based on giving homage to Prince. One of his greatest albums of all time, greatest songs is Purple Rain. And the shoe looks dope. I don't need 2 purple Jordan 11s. So I think that material was more of a new buck, I think. I could be wrong about that. But I think it was rumored. I don't know if they really confirmed that was coming out. But I don't need these if these going to come. Cause I'd rather have the Purple Rains because I'm a big Prince fan. But anyway, now the big question is whether more nationwide retailers will join in on the City Pack rollout. All right, the Air Jordan 11 Mojave lands in Jordan Brand's Holiday 2025 collection as a Las Vegas exclusive drop to celebrate the silhouette's 30th anniversary. Oh, this was on September 29th. Okay, this special release captures the allure of the desert while also saluting the city's nightlife. The uppers cover in the eye-catching canyon purple nubuck, inspired by the red rock sunsets of Nevada. Fine fading details mimic the texture of desert rock and weathered urban landscapes. A tonal Jumpman adores the collar with reflective accents are inspired by the bright lights of Vegas. Okay, so this shoe is based on Vegas. Okay. A golden... Wait. Okay, I was making sure I was looking at the right shoe. A golden carbon fiber plate underfoot provides an upscale touch to contrast the black midsole and purple outsole. This electric blend of earthy and metallic tones also beautifully captures the dichotomy of the Mojave Desert. Yeah, it gotta be Mojave. Mojave Desert landscape, and the glitz of the strip. It's this narrative visual synergy that elevates this as one of the most compelling regional Air Jordan 11s in recent memory. Okay. Like I said, released on November 22nd, 2025. $255 price tag. And here we go. Some more pictures of it. Oh, it is a dope shoe, though. Fire. I'm not gonna lie. It's low-key kind of fire. I might have to... Damn, $255 is crazy. All right, take that out. All right, $255 is crazy. Like, that's before tax. So that shoe probably gonna come out to like $268 or something like. Oh my, that's almost $300 for a shoe. Come on, Jordan Brand. We don't need that. Like, no special box. Like, that box was like the Jordan 10 boxes, actually, or the Jordan 9 boxes, whatever like that. But I don't know. I do like the shoe. I'm not gonna sit up here and cap the y'all. That was a personal pair of, well, it was my personal size of the review I did on that, because I go up half size with 11s. So I'm not gonna say no yet, but all right, let's put it like this. If it wasn't for the price tag, it would be a definite yes. It's just, I don't know if I want to pay close to $300 on a Jordan 11, and then the Gammas drop next month. So it's like, and I'm going to Miami next month, so that's a couple days before Thanksgiving too. The good thing is, if I do get that, that'll be the last shoe of November. And the Gammas don't drop until like mid-December. So, oh my God, the Black Cats. Oh no, I might not get these. Yeah, because they drop, and then I gotta get the Black Cats the following week. The Black Cats come out the following week after that. Oh man, this is the holiday season, and Jordan Brand always do hit us over the head with every holiday season. Y'all let me know in the comments below if y'all like. If this is a copper drop for y'all. I'm on the fence on it. I'm drilled. It's just the price tag. Ugh. Anyway, like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sticker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, to me, your host, Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, representing Tune's Kicks and the whole Tune Squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.